Good day everyone, so today let's talk about my Infinix XPad tablet. So there's a lot of questions, comments with my previous posts about this tablet. So today I'm going to have a quick um, review about this tablet. So if it is worth it or not. So I've used this tablet for almost 3 months because I bought this tablet in 1010 big sale. So the SRP of this tablet is around 9,499, but because of 1010 sale, I bought this tablet for almost 8,400. So the price it's so much good when I bought this because I less 1,000. So now, let's talk about the display of this tablet. So as you can see, this is the display of the tablet. So the display, I can say that it is very acceptable for its price. No? Hindi siya masyadong mumurahin na display compared to others. It's very worth it display for me. And then second is the battery. So it has a 7,000 milliamp hour battery. So for me, for almost 3 months of using this tablet, I can say that it is a long-lasting battery. I can use this battery consistent for Facebook, for social medias, consumptions, games. I can use this tablet a day. So it's so long-lasting battery of this tablet. The third one is the storage. What I've liked with this storage because it has a 256 gigabyte. No, compared to others, because compared to others tablet less than 10,000, I observed that this is the only tablet that has a 256 gigabyte for its price. Especially if you buy this tablet in a sale, or a big sale. So for 8,000 compared to the other ones, compared to the other competitors, 256 is more than 10,000 for them. But for Infinix, it's so worth it. There's a lot of pictures, videos here that So now, let's talk about the camera of this tablet. So, as you can see, this is the camera of this tablet. Okay. So, this is the camera of this tablet. For me, it's so very worth it. Again, we know that the camera of tablet is not competitive as a cell phones, but for this quality of a tablet, I can tell that it's so worth it for its price. And you know that we cannot use tablet, man. We cannot use tablet in our picture in outside, di ba? But we are commonly use cell phones for our picture taking, because the most important thing is if you have a Zooms or online classes, you can use this tablet because relevant to capture your face when it comes of Zoom or online classes. But it's worth it.